Next one is passive attacks. Release the message content is one of the passive attacks. Here, pop is sending the message to allies. In middle, third person will just take that message, but that message will be received by allies in time without any modification. This kind of attack is called release the message content. Just that third person will release the content of the POP. And next one is traffic analysis. This third person will do just analyze what kind of data is sending from POP to allies. So just that traffic will be monitored and what kind of data is sending from one person to another person. This will be called as traffic analysis. There is no modification at all and there is no delay at all. If you are taking attacks, there are two kinds of attacks, active attack and passive attack. Under active attack, we have masquerade, replay, modification, denial of service. Under passive attack, we have two attacks, release of the message content and traffic analysis. So far, we have seen about security attacks. Now we are going to see about what kind of services we have to ensure while transferring the data or we keeping the data inside the system or database. First of all, we have to give the assurance for authentication. So only authenticated person can do the transfer the data from one to another. That authentication should be ensured while giving the security. So there are two kinds of authentication, peer entity authentication, data origin authentication. And next one is access control. So this access control can be given to the user. Which kind of access can be provided to particular user and in what time they can access the network. So this should be ensured by giving the security. And next one is data confidentiality. So here we have to give the assurance for maintaining the confidentiality about the data. So here there are four kinds of confidentiality: connection confidentiality, connectionless confidentiality, selective field confidentiality, traffic flow confidentiality. In later part we will see the services in detailed manner. And next one is data integrity. We have to provide the assurance for data integrity. Data integrity in the sense what kind of data is sending from source to destination, that should be reached to without any modification, that should be reached to the destination. So we have to provide the security service called data integrity while transferring the data from source to destination. Here connection integrity with recovery, connection integrity without recovery, selective field connection integrity, connectionless integrity, selective field connectionless integrity. Next one is non-repudiation. So non-repudiation in the sense we have to provide the assurance that the sender of information is provided with proof of delivery and the recipient is provided with the proof of delivery for the identification. Why we have to provide this kind of service is, so the source or destination should not deny this kind of information is not sent by me, or this information is not received by me. So like that. So for this we have to provide this non-repudiation service to the security.